Namaskar. My name is Sanjay Kumar. I am poet, story writer, novelist and painter. I want to present my essay to you. The topic of my essay is extremely corrupt feudal structure in regional parties. In India there is a complete lack of internal democracy in all regional parties. There is complete dictatorship in regional parties. Regional parties oppose to any kind of progressive change. The ideology of regional party nourishes the monarchy. Regional parties support status quo. Just a few days ago, the Lokpal bill was being discussed in parliament. Then Mulayam Singh has strongly opposed it. At that time, Mulayam Singh opposed this bill strongly because regional parties nurture nepotism and his entire politics revolved around one family only. The ideology of regional party is completely feudal. Their faith in democracy is only superficial and artificial. Regional parties promote all kind of corruption. Among the regional parties, the most dangerous mafia. All regional party there are in India right now, they are all the same. Our justice system is rotten. Most of judges are completely immersed in ultimate corruption. People do not get justice in our country. If they get it late. Justice delayed worse than justice. Cases related to murder and rape last for 30 to 40 years. There is no system in India to punish the judges. That is why most of judges in India have become extremely corrupt. That is why the moral of criminals has become high in India. Before 2014, criminals have no fear of the justice system. Now Modi government is changing the entire system of India. Soon justice system will become very good. That is why regional parties are filled with criminals. There are many ways to change the justice system, but regional party do not want to change the justice system. Administrative system has been completely ruined in India. Most of administrative officers are completely involved in ultimate corruption. They are not concerned with the welfare of the public. However, they are appointed only for the public goods. Regional party collect money through extreme corruption. Regional party promote black money and they do their politics with black money only. National party also do their politics with black money. The education system of our system was completely ruined. There is a great shortage of teachers in our country. Most of teachers in schools at all do not teach. They come to school only to collect their salary. That is why our country has lagged far behind in the field of education. There is a great shortage of scientists in our country because in our country science is taught in very poor manner. The government does not make serious effort for the development of science. Due to lack of adequate development of science, our country has not become a developed nation. Regional party have no interest in changing the education system. India has the most fertile land in the world. No country has such fertile land. Now agriculture production can be increased 10 times more. Still there is a lot of poverty in our country. The farmers of our country are in bad condition. Many farmers troubled by poverty commit suicide. If land reform is done, then and agriculture is developed properly, India can become most prosperous country in the world, and poverty can be completely eliminated. But regional party have no interest in developing agriculture. Most of police in India have to turn into licensed goon. Most of policemen have become more dangerous than the criminal. The police system of our country has been completely criminalized and politicized. This was the condition before 2014. The most of corrupt leaders of the regional party make the police act like puppet for their own selfish end. There are many ways to fix the police system, but regional party did not want to improve the police system at all. They want that police to remain her slave. Most of leaders of our country have cancer and they have become the ultimate curse for the society. The economic system of our country is extremely bad. Multinational companies are looting the country, but the leaders of the regional party are sitting with blind eye. Industrialists and contractors themselves earn crores of rupees, but they pay very low wages to their workers. That is why condition of workers in our country has become very bad. If the economic system is improved, then the condition of workers can become very good. This will end exploitation in the society. But regional party have no interest to improving the economic system. The sports system of our country has completely collapsed. That is why our country has lagged far behind in sports. Before 2014, there was complete criminalization of all departments and system of the government. The entire system was immersed in ultimate corruption. But after 2014, there was huge attack on corruption and still efforts are being made to minimize the corruption. The most honest the government is today, there was never such a honest government in India. The most corrupt politicians have taken over the sports association. Sports associations were completely surrounded by ultimate corruption. The budget worth crores of rupees was eaten away by the most corrupt official of the sports association. Just a few days ago, many politicians and highly corrupt parties were found involved in Commonwealth scheme. There are many ways to improve the sports system, but regional party have no interest in improving the sports system. Our current election is extremely bad. Casteism is greatly increased by this electoral system. Instead of breaking casteism, regional parties promote further casteism. Casteism is greatly increased by this electoral system. Instead of breaking casteism, regional party promote it further. Casteism is like poison for the society. Regional party have no interest in breaking casteism, nor is there any interest in changing the electoral system. In short, we can say that regional party are anti-social, anti-development and anti-human. Regional parties sell both the country and society for the money. The vices that are prevalent in regional party, similar vices are there in national party also. But national party are little less dangerous for the society. To reform regional party and national party, we will have to change the constitution. The constitution will change only then when public becomes aware. A very big and important medium to make the public aware is progressive literature and progressive journalism. Progressive journalism, progressive literature and progressive ideology can bring about huge revolutionary change in the society. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Namaskar.